वेलकम टू माय चैनल माय पाठशाला बाय नीतू निगम। ये मैं क्लास फर्स्ट ओलंपियाड इंग्लिश ओलंपियाड से वर्ड्स एंड देयर मीनिंग वोकैबुलरी क्यूज लेकर आई हूँ। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। इससे पहले मैंने जंबल लेटर्स की वोकैबुलरी क्यूज आपके साथ शेयर किया था, तो उसे आप अवश्य देखें अगर आपने नहीं देखा है तो। मेक द करेक्ट मीनिंग्स ऑफ टॉक, बी लिसन, सी रन, डी रिप्लाई। करेक्ट आंसर इज reply. To answer mean to say something back or to reply. Example, please answer the questions. Mark the correct meaning of baby. A. Son. B. Infant. C. Daughter. D. Man. Correct answer is infant. An infant is another word for a few young baby. Example, the infant is sleeping peacefully. Make the correct meaning of beautiful. A. Pretty. B. Dull. C. Ugly. D. Smart. Correct answer is pretty. Some things beautiful looks very nice. Pretty has the same meanings. Example, that is the beautiful flower. Make the correct meaning of begin. A. Start. B. Middle. C. And D. Go. Correct answer is start. To begin means to start doing something. Example, let's begin the race. Mark the correct meaning of benefit. A. Loss. B. Earn. C. Profit. D. Watch. Correct answer is profit. A benefit is something good you get, like a profit or gain. Example, eating vegetables has many health benefits. 6. Mark the correct meaning of borrow. A. Take. B. Give. C. Pay. D. Return. Correct answer is take. To borrow means to take something for a short time and give it back later. Example, may I borrow your pencil? Question number 7. Mark the correct meaning of brain. A. Lungs. B. Leg. C. Mind. D. Heart. Correct answer is mind. Your brain helps you think, if is often called your mind. Example, use your brain to solve the puzzles. Number 8. Mark the correct meaning of command. A. Speak. B. Order. C. Push. D. Strong. Correct answer is order. A command is an instruction or an order telling someone what to do. Example, the captain gave a command to the ship. Question number 9. Mark the correct meaning of correct. A. Clear. B. Right. C. Useless. D. Laugh. Correct answer is right. When something is correct, it means it is true or right. Example, you got the right answer. Question number 10. Mark the correct meaning of create. A. Make. B. Finish. C. Destroy. D. Complete. Correct answer is make. To create means to build or make something new. Example, she likes to create art with paint. 11. Difficult. A. Fast. B. Plain. C. Hard. D. Clever. Answer C. Hard. Explanation. Difficult describe something that required lots of letter or skill to do or understands. Hard means the same thing as this content. Food. Juice, milk, fruit, water. Correct answer is meal. While juice and fruit are types of food, a meal is a general terms of food eaten at a specific time, serving as the best synonyms for the general concept here. Hope. A. Dance. B. Run. C. Jump. D. Climb. Correct answer C. Jump. To hop means to make a short leap or jump. Animals like rabbit and frog hop. L. Fast, sick, healthy, well. Ill. Ill is another word, not a feeling well. Sick is a perfect synonym. Healthy or well are the antonyms. Jungle. A. City. B. Town. C. Forest. D. Village. Correct answer C. Forest. A jungle is a long covered with dense vegetation and trees, much like a forest. City, town, and village are human settlements. 16. Victory. A. Lose. B. Earn. C. Win. D. Watch. Correct answer is option C. Win. Explanation. Victory means success in a contest or battle. A win is the adject synonym and loss is the direct opposite. थैंक यू। इसी प्रकार के एजुकेशनल वीडियो के लिए आप हमारे साथ बने रहें। प्लीज हमारे चैनल को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड शेयर कीजिए। साथ ही वीडियो को हाइप करना न भूलें। थैंक यू।